Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This podcast is I I in this podcast before in past time ago in weekend. So this is repeat of the podcast because there is a problem. It's so okay. And now, yeah, a topic is same, and I will tell you again for to because I think you not know with my meaning. And now in this era, you can do a remote job, and usually that we can call it freelance, but this is in what with remote job. So you work your job from your home on coffee or many place, and that is not for remote job. So that if you if you job in a company and you cannot leave your family, like there is an urgent, you must with your family, and who's know you have even with your friend or what, so you cannot leave him, but you must leave your job in your company. So in this area is you can do a job from other place, or we can call it remote job remote, and in that we will configure and we will about what configure it now before we can get remote access. So I bring this special person for today, and he's especially for about network and an expert for in this in his job. Okay, my name is Fahri, and my friend is Umar. We can try to get data from a computer in other place to connect with our laptop, or our router is can get that data. So in a company is this router 2 is that router client connect to a computer, and router 1 is connect with our laptop. So router and router 1 and router 2 communication is we call it tunneling, and we use L2TP tunneling in this time, and we get data from router 2 to bring that to router 1, and we can get a data from our laptop. So this is step by step configure, and we will do it and check it out. You can get your job from your home, and your money is still okay. Let my friend is tell you.
Okay, guys, I'll handle this. And before I start, my name is Umar Muhammad Syafie. Usually people call me Umar. And in this podcast, I will teach you how to connect between two routers. This is the router one, and this is the router two. And then, um, all right, and then this I will use tool Roman for connecting the two routers. Okay, just a sec. All right, we will try. Okay, wait. Right. So first, you can you can go to the Winbox and log in into router one. This is a router one because this time so long, 1 hour. You can click at MAC address and then connect. Right, remove configuration, SIMscape. First, you can click system and then you can click at tool Roman system and then Roman. I think Roman. Sorry, you can tool Roman
Okay, this
and
is
you can set
people
enable.
have
You can check
correct.
in this box, check box, apply. Okay, and you can uh, look at the cable to this router 2.
What is the wrong do?
To Roman, there is two connecting between two routers, and the connection and the medium you can use the cable LAN for Roman. So Roman is to connecting between two routers like that. And then we will log in to a router, to another router, click connect.
Especially from this merge Mikrotik. So you must download Winbox and you have a router to do tunneling, remote address, remote control.
All right. This router we will set for the L2TP server in this router. So before we start, we can name of this router. First, you can click system and then identity. This is I will name server, apply, okay. And after this, we will enable wireless interface and input the security profile, mode, dynamic keys, and we check the WPA PSK and WPA2 PSK, and we input the password of the Wi-Fi. apply, okay, and then with interface, double click, and we change the security profile, scan, click start, and then we can search where the Wi-Fi will connect to this router. Example, I use SID IDN, click and then connect, apply, and okay. All right, this is error. The minute is running, so we can uh, to the HTTP client for IP dynamic from the Wi-Fi at interface 91 interface 91 apply okay. All right, status bound. So this router can connect to internet. We can terminal and then ping to Google example. Okay, the router has connected to internet, and at first we can click on the triple P or PPPP, click and then interface L2TP server, check the enabled, apply, okay, and then you can click add secret and add name. This is name for login in the router one on the or the router client. This for example, I use
Our user.
admin, yes, our user, and this is password. This I use 1 2 3 4 5, and service use L2TP tunnel, profile, default encryption, and the local address. We use another IP, or we use
Why? What's benefit this type from another tunneling type?
L2TP.
Yes.
L2TP client is what's IP public, so you can access the router from the internet like that.
What benefit from these types?
The benefit, I think,
With another types of tunneling. Or you can answer it maybe.
I think the benefit is you can connect this tunnel with IP public. Not
Oh, now is nothing benefit. Maybe later after we can get data
yes,
from another router.
yeah, something like that. And we input the IP tunnel. This I use 172.168.1.1, and the remote address we will input the different IP, and then you can click apply, okay, and after this we can click a new inbox to connect the Roman. First, you can click at this the server. This is the wait. Will refresh. Oh, in this click connect to Roman. Wait. Click connect to wrong one. Click refresh, and then click on the MAC address and connect. And first, we set the host name, the system, and then identity. This I change this name with client. Apply. Okay. First, we enable the WLAN interface, security profile, add mode dynamic keys, WPA BSK and WPA2 BSK, and then we input the password of the Wi-Fi. Apply. Okay, and we can click security profile, change to profile 1, and click scan. Interface VLAN 1, start, and click on the SSID. I use this IDN, connect, and click apply. Okay. At air, the meeting is running. So we can click on the HTTP client, click add, and interface VLAN 1, apply. Okay. All right, we get IP address, IP dynamic from the Wi-Fi. So we can click on the PPP, and then when click interface L2TP not L2TP client, click, and then they are out, connect to, this is we input the IP address of the router or IP public router. You can check IP. All right, we can to the DL out 207. User admin password 12345, and then okay, apply, and okay. This is air or running. We can check on the inbox of the router one or driver. Okay, this is IP address from the router two, and this tunnel is in this topology is connected, and okay, so we did it, make a tunnel with L2TP, and yeah, the
So
configuration is so simple. You can just enable the wireless interface, and then you connect to the Wi-Fi, and then you can get to IP address in the HTTP client. Yes, this is the function is get the IP address from the Wi-Fi and to the PPP or make a L2TP server and L2TP client. Just three what? Uh, wireless table, the HTTP client, and PPP. It's like that.
so this is must connect to internet.
Yes, from must connect to internet.
So why we cannot get this data from internet?
What?
What different between this tunneling
Hmm?
and we use the internet. So we can get a data from our computer from internet like Google Drive maybe or anything with account. Why we must do a tunneling?
Tunneling. Must do tunneling for the security of the router because if you don't use a tunneling, maybe the hacker uh, can hack of this router. So we use the for the security we use the tunneling.
There is more can be in this tunneling. There is security for our data like encryption or anything.
Yes, L2TP has the security. Yes, you use secret, use um, username, and then use password and encryption.
So, I see. Another people is cannot see and have our data. There is
Yes.
not run. There is not run from internet. There is from tunnel. You know tunnel. Yes. Not like a bridge. So you can
No, 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 no.
imagine internet is bridge and there is a lot of people you can see our data or our privacy. So with a tunneling, you can you can get more secure for your data and your privacy because nothing people can see your data. This is from internet, but different. Like in different from internet, but what we call
What we call
it like an internet is
from what you mean?
hmm,
What
an
you
internet
want?
is from on, okay, and tunnel is from low. So same destination but different road. That is make our tunnel is more secure than from internet.
Yes.
Like that.
Like that. So I suggest for all of you, if you want more security of this tunnel, you can use IPsec or IP secret. So the function of IP secret is double authentication or double verification. You can use IPsec. If you wanna the configuration of IPsec, you can search in Google that a lot of configuration. You can follow step by step. Uh, the configuration is simple. You just enable IPv secret and then you input the password. Example, Q123 like that, and then the client you can input the IP secret and you can connect.
L2TP can do it.
Yes, can do it.
Oh,
That's maybe one of benefit from L2TP.
so I think
Double
the function is more
Yes.
better from
Yes, but better from the another.
another tunneling.
Yes.
Okay, I think I will see another tunneling. So this is our configuration about tunnel, and you can get your data from another place and bring it to yourself in different place. So a lot of tunneling types, but we are so sorry for this change. We just chat it one type because that is make many times. So you can use L2TP, and I think that is enough to secure your data and get your job from your home. Okay, maybe this our
Mhm.
podcast today about tunneling, and see you in next podcast. Maybe that is me again, or that is my friend Umar again.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much to hear us. Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you.
your attention and for your focus for this podcast. I appreciate it, and we will continue maybe this weekend English talk, and that's enough for today. I think.
Are you have a closing statement like quotes of the day, or like that lah for this is our last meet, not last meet, but in this change podcast? Do you have
Maybe I have.
for our Gen Z or Gen X or another peoples to up the burn spirit? Just of the
Maybe
day.
the quote of the day. Um, what? Maybe embrace the journey, not the destination. So in the journey, you can chill journey, uh, happy, like that. Enjoy it,
Okay.
and in studying like that, gitu. And keep spirit.
Okay. Okay. We'll meet our podcast soon. Thank you. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.